A problem is a thing that is difficult to deal with or to understand. A matter or situation regarded as unwelcome or harmful and needing to be dealt with and overcome. So, have you ever faced a problem and tried to solve it by all means, but it returns back repeatedly? This dilemma usually happens in our personal lives and in the organizations we run or work at. Many people deal with problems only by their symptoms, therefore they apply symptomatic solutions. Solving problems needs more than that. It needs to dig deep into it to find the root cause, in other words, root cause analysis. Applying root cause analysis for solving problems leads to a better decision-making and finding a fundamental solution. So, what is root cause analysis? Root cause analysis is a sequence of procedures organizations apply for a better understanding of the problem and its causes. In addition to find alternatives and test them in order to select the optimum one and execute it. To solve the problem fundamentally. In this video, I will outline root cause analysis in 5 main steps. In each step you need to ask the right question and get sufficient information to solve your problem effectively. Step 1. Define the problem. What is happening? What are the symptoms? Step 2. Collect data. What evidence do we have for the problem? For how long does the problem exist? How does the problem affect the system? Step 3. Identify possible causal factors. Where is the gap and how big it is? What circumstances led to the problem? Step 4. Identify the root causes. What is the real reason that led to the problem? Step 5. Recommend and implement solutions. What measures are to be taken to prevent the problem from happening again? How to implement the solution? Who will be responsible for the implementation? What are the pros and cons of implementing the solution? After that, testing the solution through feedback is essential that might lead to either continuing or returning to any of the previous steps for more details. Thanks for watching. If you like to learn more about root cause analysis, problem solving and decision-making techniques, business, and management, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on all social media platforms. You can also visit SKILLTECS.com to have access to all related articles and much more.